Greetings, students. Welcome to Chapter 8, Keywords and Concepts, as we learn about memory. So we're going to learn about a couple of different kinds of memories first here. The first is a sensory memory. This is the storage of brief sensory events such as sights, sounds, and tastes. So when you experience something in the world, when you see something, hear something, touch something, there is a place in your brain where it very briefly is stored, like literally for seconds, before it gets routed to other parts of your brain. Okay, it doesn't live there for a really long period of time, but it's there. Then we talk about different kinds of memories, the things that we think of as memories. We have explicit memories, and those are the ones we consciously try to remember, recall, and report. So if you're trying to remember your first day of third grade, your first day of third grade would be an explicit memory. Okay, this is different than an implicit memory. Implicit memories are long-term memories that are not part of our consciousness. What does that mean? Well, probably sometime in elementary school, you also learned how to ride a bicycle. Do you think about riding a bicycle when you're riding a bicycle? No, you do not. It's just in there. You don't think about it. You don't think, okay, I have to move my legs this way and I have to put my hands on the handlebars and I have to balance in this. You just do it. That's an implicit memory. So when we're talking about memories, when we go to fetch them, we talk about retrieval. This is the act of gathering the information out of your memory storage and back into conscious awareness. So you're not always thinking about all of your memories all the time. When you go to fetch them out of your brain, that is retrieval. And recognition is a process that happens when you identify information that you have previously learned after encountering it again. It involves a process of comparison. This is what you do when you take a multiple choice test. So when you take a multiple choice test and you read the question and then you read the answers, recognition is what occurs when you see the answer that makes sense because you've encountered it before and then you saw it again. Okay, so that's how recognition works with memory. All right, I will see you in the next video.